Hey everyone, I'm Stephen Gage, President of Vision Commercial Development. Today we're diving into the effects of presidential elections on the housing market. This video is perfect for anyone looking to understand how elections can shape real estate trends, whether you're a buyer, a seller, or an investor. So let's get started. One of the first things we notice during election periods is heightened market uncertainty. When an election is looming, both buyers and sellers tend to adopt a wait-and-see attitude. This cautious approach can slow down market activity temporarily, which means fewer homes are bought and sold. This creates unique challenges and opportunities. For instance, if fewer people are inclined to purchase homes, it may boost demand for rental properties. Many potential buyers might be hesitant to commit, leading them to rent instead. On the flip side, some tenants may hesitate to sign new leases due to uncertainty about job stability and future housing market policies. As a result, savvy investors might seize opportunities in the rental market, capitalizing on the demand for more rental options during these times of uncertainty. Historically, home sales tend to slow down in the months leading up to and immediately following a presidential election. But don't be alarmed, this slowdown is usually temporary. In fact, home sales typically pick back up again in December and continue to rise in the following year. Data shows that home sales have increased after 9 of the last 11 presidential elections. If you're in the market to buy or sell, remember that patience can pay off. Waiting for post-election surge could lead to better opportunities. Now let's talk about home prices. You might be wondering if election years cause significant disruptions in home values. The good news is they generally don't. In fact, home prices have typically risen after every presidential election, except during the 2008 housing market crash. This consistent upward trend illustrates the market's resilience in the face of political uncertainty. If you're a buyer or seller, you can feel confident that over time, home prices tend to appreciate, despite any short-term fluctuations related to elections. Elections can also influence interest rates, but in a more indirect way. The Federal Reserve is typically cautious about making significant changes until after the election. Historically, we've seen mortgage rates decrease in the months leading up to 8 of the last 11 presidential elections. However, because of the uncertainty in the current election year, we've seen a rise in mortgage rates. As of October 24, 2024, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate was 6.54%, and just 6 days later, on October 30th, the average rate hit over 7%. The outcome of the election can significantly impact housing policy and legislation. Different candidates often propose various changes that can affect the housing market. For example, they may discuss affordable housing initiatives, rent control measures, or tax policies aimed at real estate investors. These potential policy changes can have a direct impact on landlords' ability to raise rents, affect profit margins, and even create new investment opportunities. Staying informed about the proposed policies can give you an edge in navigating the market successfully. While we've discussed national trends, it's essential to remember that regional markets can react differently to elections. Urban centers with strong political or economic ties might experience more noticeable fluctuations. In contrast, suburban and rural areas may see minimum shifts, with local factors playing a more significant role in shaping market conditions. As a buyer or an investor, understanding your local market dynamics is crucial. Researching how elections impact your specific area can help you make more informed decisions. So there you have it, folks. Presidential elections can create short-term uncertainty and slight slowdowns in the real estate market, but the overall impact tends to be temporary. Historically, the market shows resilience and often rebounds quickly right after the election. For buyers, sellers, and investors, it's important to focus on long-term trends and your personal circumstances when making real estate decisions during an election year. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real estate insights. If you're interested in real estate investing and don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who'd like to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with the team today, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun investment opportunities that we could potentially work on together. Let me know in the comments. How do you think the upcoming election will impact the housing market in your area? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.